Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Stay gorgeous and hope you all are doing well. Today I have created this look right here and I have tried to make it affordable, and the product I have used in this video all are going to be under 500.
And don't forget to like, share and comment, and without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So at first I am using a primer. This is from Maybelline Newyork Dream One Day Perfect Face Primer. I am applying it on the T-zone of my face and the areas I have pores, because it really helps out to fill your pores and give a smoothened canvas for your makeup. Then I am just moisturizing my lips with the help of Vaseline. Then I am using a color corrector. This is my orange lipstick because I have really dark circle. If you don't have, you can skip this part. Then I am setting my corrector with the help of a loose powder. This is Bharat and Doris loose powder. Otherwise it will mix up with your foundation. Then I am using Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation in the shade 02, and I am applying it all over my face. And take a wet sponge and blend it out in dabbing motion. Then I am using my Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. I am applying it only the dark circles of my eyes and little bit of my upper lid. Then I am blending with the help of my ring finger. Ring finger gives minimum pressure and the hit of your finger just helps to melt the product. After that I am using the same concealer to highlight my face. If you don't want, then you can skip this part. I am using the same loose powder to set my concealer. I am applying it underneath of my cheekbones. Here you can see the visible difference. Then I am using Maybelline Face Studio Contouring Blush Palette, and I am using this brown shade for my eye contour. Then I am using my compact powder and applying it over my eyelid. And just blend them out. And the rest of my face I am using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder in the shade 120 Classic Herbal. Then I am taking the same brown shade and applying it the lower lash line of my eyes. Then I am using my Lakme 95 Black Impact Eyeliner, and I am not going to create any dramatic look. I am just simply draw a thin line to fill my lash lines. Then I am using my Lakme Eyeconic kajal to fill my upper waterline. After that I was so excited about my mascara, then I forget to use my curler. You can buy this type of curler from any beauty store. Then I am applying my mascara. This is Maybelline Volume Express Colossal Big Shot Mascara. After that I am taking a nude pencil. This is from Wet n Wild, and I am applying it under waterline. And don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lashes. Then I am taking the same nude pencil to highlight my brow bone area. And just brushing my brows because I don't use any brow bead. Then I am taking the same brown shade from the palette to contour my face, and I am applying it on the cheekbones of my face. I am applying it on my forehead because I have really big forehead, and I am applying it on my jawbones to cut out my double chin effect. And I am doing nose contouring, what I have never done before. I am just doing this only for you guys. Then I am taking the coral shade from this palette and using it as a blusher. And taking the two shades from my Sivanna highlighter, and you can see the pigmentation. And I am applying it only the high points of my face. Then I am blending them with the help of a fan brush. To make my lipstick last longer, I am using my concealer just before of my lipstick. And I am using the Wet n Wild Megalast lip color in the shade Cherry Bomb. So guys, here is the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have loved it, and if you want more this type of video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.